Okay, I'm Ballistic. This is a quick review for this new project which is called My Gate Network. So this is their X, My Gate Network. So they recently joined the X in November 2024. So they are new. They are new in the blockchain. So my, they looking for passionate blockchain development, so you can, if you enthusiast, so you can fill the form here. So yeah, this their um extension, so you can download it there. Then if you download it that there, and this the extension you can see. So there are a problem right now. That's why the points is not appeared, but because this is a new project, so if you want to if you want to register this new project, so you can see the link in description, in comment section. So follow me and subscribe for like here and subscribe for more uh, quick review like project like this, new project like this. This is a Tiffin project.